What is variable? Like any other programming language, in C programming language, variables are identifier used to refer memory location in computer memory that holds a value for that variable. This value can be changed during the execution of the program. The size of memory block allocated and type of the value it holds is completely depend upon the type of the variable. Naming a variable in C programming language is an important task. Rules for naming a variable. Variable name can consist of letter, alphabet and start with underscore character. First character of variable should always be alphabet and cannot be a digit. Keywords are not allowed to use as a variable name. Blank spaces are not allowed in variable name. C is case sensitive. Upper and lower cases are significant. Special characters like hash, dollar are not allowed except the underscore. The variable name can be consist of 31 characters only. If we declare a variable more than one characters, compiler will ignore after 31st character. Recommendation: variable name must be readable and should be relative to its purpose. Declaring a variable. In C programming language, a variable must be declared before using it. Declaring a variable is the way in which a C program tells the compiler about the number of variables it needs, what they are going to be named, and how much memory they will need. It is important to have knowledge about the type of variables and the size of these types. So here is the syntax for declaring a variable. Now I will explain the example. Example is int counter semicolon. Here is an example of declaring an integer which we have called counter. Note that semicolon at the end of the line, that is how your compiler separates one program statement from another program statement. This statement means we are declaring some space for a variable called counter which will be used to store integer data. Note that we must specify the type of data that a variable will store. So guys, that's all for today's section. It was so short because I was somewhat busy for Diwali shopping. I hope guys you all are enjoying for Diwali and you all are also so busy for Diwali shopping. Enjoy your Diwali guys. Happy Diwali again and again I am telling you, because I am so excited for Diwali. And after Diwali, you guys please let me know how you all celebrated Diwali. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.